Namaste everyone and a very happy new year. So my name is Madhav Verma and I'm currently studying my undergrad at Pennsylvania State University. Uh, and honestly, I joined VV classes I guess in 2014. And yeah, I remember like during those when I started beginning classes, me and my cousin Niranjan, we both joined VV classes. So and we're all the way in Abu Dhabi. So and usually everyone's probably in Dubai and Sharjah. So we had to wake up like early 5:30, 5 a.m. in the morning, get up, take bath, all that, and then groom ourselves, and then again all the way from Abu Dhabi, we had to come to Dubai. I mean Sharjah. So it was a very tedious process. But then, and one thing I really enjoyed about the trip was Acha and Nishalema and my Amma. They used to make like idli and sambar and dosha and all, and we used to like pack them. And I think we used to make tea as well. We used to pack them in the containers. And on the way, we used to like on the way to class. Class was I guess at like 8, I think 8. So we left exact at 7 a.m. So we had to make sure we have to reach on time. And Satish uncle was very particular on that. And on the way we used to eat and then we enjoyed. Like I really enjoyed the process though. But then the thing was, in 2014, I remember it was not, we didn't have the hall, it was not a common hall. So we had to go to like different, like auntie's house. We had to like, as far as I remember, we had to go to their houses and it was a very stressful process because in the beginning I was like very scared. Now I'm an introvert, but still, I was like really scared. And there were so many people like in the hall. And I was like, I didn't even know what was going on. There was Arati and I really didn't understand what was going on. But eventually, like after like 2 weeks, I really enjoyed the process. And then that's when I really started liking the classes. And then when we moved to the bigger hall, I actually really enjoyed coming to classes every week. That's pretty much about it. And even when during that time, I really didn't understand what Satish at the beginning, what he was talking about. He used to talk about the self, and I really didn't understand what he was actually talking about. But later on, during like after a few weeks, I really understood what he was actually talking about. And even during the classes, there like because the whole it's not just about self development. You grow in all different ways and aspects. Like there are like cultural programs that teach you, especially what teaches you team development, how you like connect with different people, how you coordinate. It's something I really learned, and today I apply that. And I also enjoyed the bhajans. Like at first I really didn't like singing at all. Like I was like very hesitant, and then uncle had told me to sing, and I was like very very scared though. But then I actually when I started singing, I was like, oh, this is not that bad though. Like, I can do it. And then and that's how I actually improved my stage fear, and like I did that. Then after that there was the Bhagavad Gita. That was at the beginning again I didn't really understand it, but eventually Satish uncle also talked about various study techniques and about the brain, so which I was really interested in. Like he used to talk about how the neurons connect. How do we really study? And he also I remember a time when I was in 9th grade, he used to make us do he used to actually read a chapter of our book, I think a physics book, one chapter. I still remember. It's called Motion. I think it's a chapter of motion. So he used to read the full chapter, and he used to I guess make diagrams. That's one thing Satish was always he's been put emphasis on is diagrams and visual representation. So, and he believes that it improves, cognitive thinking, and he actually made all of us do study, read the chapter and make a visual diagram. And I still believe before the exam I went through those diagrams, and those were very very powerful tools which I really still really use. And apart from that, the values which I learned from the Gita. So the thing is, right now in such a big university where there are more than 40,000 students, it's very overwhelming. As I'm an introvert, and definitely it's a very overwhelming thing. I'm reluctant to ask for help. So going in such a university and the exposure is, again, it's very overwhelming. But I think the VV classes have helped me to like, overcome all the fear, I guess. And the problem in like being in such a university is no one like to do anything for you. There's no amma like one example I would say is first week of university when I went, I had to do my laundry. So I've never done laundry in my life. So amma used to wash the clothes for me. I just had to sit there and see get the and do it done. And she would also fold the clothes, so I didn't have to do anything. But when I went to the university, I literally had to do everything by myself. I was so overwhelming. I used to like keep the laundry like up to the brim, and I used to like procrastinate and be like, I'll do it next week. And then Amma used to call me and be like, no, you have to do it now, right now. And she used to call me like multiple times and made sure that I do that. And so yeah, and actually now, like right now, I enjoy the process of doing laundry. It's something I really do. But I think the thing is, it's more when you go to college, you become more independent, and the skills that you learn, it's more about. And in college, the thing is, nobody tells you what to do. It's up to you to decide what you have to do. So again, VV classes have helped me to know what is right and wrong, and make decisions in my college. I would say that if you like really follow like what Satish Shankar is telling you, I'm 100% sure you'll succeed in life no matter where you are, even if you're in your school, in your college, or any work place you are, you would like succeed.